11 Amazing benefits of cucumber smoothies for weight loss and health. When you see cucumber slices, you might think of a day at the spa, but this veggie has the power to reduce more than under-eye puffiness. I'm talking about your belly, too. At only 16 calories per cup, cucumbers are among the lowest calorie vegetables around. This makes them a perfect choice for anyone looking to shed pounds, but I'm excited to share their benefits for overall health as well. This cool vegetable can also reduce your wrinkles, risk of cancer, heart disease, and more. Not everyone is a big fan of cucumbers though, and I found that adding them to smoothies finally makes me really enjoy consuming them. So, here are the benefits of cucumber for weight loss as well as generally to your health, and how to make them an awesome addition to smoothies. How cucumbers benefit your health and weight. Number 1. Amazing nutrient density. Nutrient density refers to how much nutrition you get per calorie of a food. If a food contains a lot of calories, and not a lot of nutrients, like potato chips, then it has a low nutrient density. Cucumbers, on the other hand, contain very few calories but are very high in nutrients. This is great for two reasons. You can eat enough cucumbers to fill you up while staying in a caloric deficit to lose weight. All the extra vitamins and minerals in cucumbers will satisfy your cells, so you have more control of hunger and are less likely to binge on high-calorie foods. His study put participants on a high nutrient density diet and found that 80% experienced less hunger. Number 2. Helps you lose weight. Thanks to their amazing nutrient density, you will get full before you will get fat from eating cucumbers. Think of your stomach like valuable real estate. You should make sure the space is being taken up by good quality stuff, not food that will make you fat and sick. Plus, all the extra nutrients will train your body to crave healthier foods, reducing the amount of junk you are tempted to indulge in. The bottom line is this: if you want to shed fat, you need to be eating cucumbers. They'll bulk up your meals, so you can reduce calories without feeling deprived, and they will help you make healthier choices in general. Number 3. Cucumbers protect your cells. Cucumbers contain phytonutrients, which are plant substances with potential to prevent human diseases like cancer. Cucumbers are known for their cucurbitacin, lignin, and flavonoid content, all potent antioxidants that protect cells from the damage of free radicals. They also contain plenty of antioxidants like vitamin C, beta-carotene, and manganese. Some studies have even looked at cucumber extracts as potential cancer treatment drugs. But here's the thing. Antioxidants are better used to protect your cells against cancer than to try and reverse it. Rather than waiting until it's too late, try to include sources of antioxidants, like cucumber, in your meals every day. Number 4. Keeps you hydrated. One of the reasons that cucumbers are so low in calories is because they are over 95% water. In fact, cucumbers have the highest water content of any solid food. It's kind of like eating a glass of water. Actually, it may be even better for you than eating a glass of water. Dr. Susan Sheriffs of Loughborough University was quoted in the media explaining that, to be properly hydrated, you need to replace fluid lost from the body with one that's similar to the body's natural composition. And watery fruit and vegetables often contain levels of minerals and sugar that mirror this, so they can hydrate you more effectively than water alone. Number 5. Supports healthy digestion. Thanks to their incredibly hydrating effects, cucumbers can keep things moving along in the digestive tract. This is because proper digestion and elimination, you know what I'm saying, depends on having enough water in the intestines. During digestion, your body produces around 8.5 quarts of gastric juices, which travel through your digestive tract, helping to break down food for absorption. By consuming enough water, you ensure your body continues to produce these gastric juices for optimal digestion. Number 6. Reduces inflammation. The cucurbitacins found in cucumbers have been researched for their anti-inflammatory potential, with some pretty amazing findings. In this study, researchers found that it inhibits inflammation. Since inflammation is thought to be the underlying cause of most diseases, and directly related to conditions like arthritis, packing your meals with anti-inflammatory foods like cucumber is super important. Number 7. Healthier heart. Cucumbers contain lignans, which have been highly researched for their cardiovascular benefits. This is how it works behind the scenes, when the cucumber's lignans kick into action in your body. Pro-inflammatory substances, called free radicals, cause damage to the artery walls, which must be repaired using cholesterol that builds up over time. When lignans are available in your body, they neutralize free radicals before they have a chance to cause damage, which means squeaky clean arteries. Number 8. Improves your skin. If you are struggling with wrinkles, dry skin, acne, or any other skin conditions, it can be a sign that you are lacking hydration. When the skin is properly hydrated with water, it has a healthy, dewy glow that can contribute to a younger appearance. But that's not all. Cucumber actually possesses some other amazing skin benefits, which may come as a total surprise. Cucumbers have long been viewed as having a cooling effect, and now a study has confirmed that cucumber can soothe swelling and redness. This makes them the perfect treatment for sunburns, or skin prone to chemical sensitivities. Number 9. Cleans out toxins. Great news! Cucumbers can help you detox from a night of drinking, a bad meal, or exposure to environmental toxins. Thanks to their diuretic effects, they can increase the speed at which toxins leave your body. That means cutting down your recovery time. In fact, Khloe Kardashian has been open about using cucumbers to detox, by adding them to her water. Drinking cucumber-based beverages is an amazing way to get a little detox into your everyday routine. Number 10. Stronger bones. You probably already know that calcium builds strong bones, but did you know that vitamin K is a critical part of calcium ending up in the right place? Vitamin K is found in green vegetables, like cucumber. Vitamin K is also a cofactor to one of the main proteins in your bones. So don't just rely on calcium to build your bone strength. Getting more vitamin K has been associated with lower rates of hip fracture. As we age, we also lose height due to changes in our spine. Good news, vitamin K has been shown to reduce height loss too. So if you want to grow tall, and stay tall, eat your cucumbers. Number 11. Balances blood pressure. Cucumbers also contain a healthy dose of potassium, at 160 mg per cup. If you're wondering why that matters, potassium-rich diets are known to lower high blood pressure. In fact, nutritionists use the DASH-IT as a highly effective tool to reduce hypertension. This diet emphasizes fresh vegetables, and even lists cucumber as one of the best sources of potassium. Since they are so high in water, over 95%, remember, cucumbers also aid the body in eliminating excess sodium, which can contribute to higher blood pressure. 7 refreshing cucumber smoothie recipes. By now you probably can't wait to start eating cucumbers every day. I recommend drinking at least 1 cucumber smoothie per day as a breakfast or snack, or both. Number 1. Cool Cucumber Refresher. This refreshing drink is perfect when you need a cool down. With a good balance of carbs and protein, it makes a great post-workout hydrator. The recipe also features energizing ingredients such as mint and lemon, to help you recover from the workout. Ingredients. 1 cup chopped cucumber, with peel. 1 handful mint leaves. 1 green apple with peel, chopped. 1/2 lemon, juice only. 3 tablespoons hemp seeds. 1 cup water. 1 cup ice, optional. Instructions. Combine all ingredients in your blender. Blend until smooth. Depending on your blender, this may take 1 to 3 minutes. Pour into a glass for now, or store in a spill-proof bottle to enjoy later. Number 2. Tropical Cucumber Smoothie. Take a trip to the tropics with this sweet smoothie packed with island flavors. Cucumbers and coconut oil are both great fat-burning ingredients. Ingredients. 1 cup chopped cucumber, with peel. 1 cup chopped pineapple, fresh or frozen. 1/2 banana. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 1 cup unsweetened coconut milk. 1/2 cup ice, optional. Instructions. Combine all ingredients in your blender. If you are using frozen cucumber or pineapple, you may not need to add ice. Blend until smooth. Depending on your blender, this may take 1 to 3 minutes. Pour into a glass for now, or store a spill-proof bottle to enjoy later. Number 3. Glowing Green Cucumber Smoothie. Glow from the inside out with this dose of liquid nutrition. This smoothie makes the perfect breakfast to start your day with health. Ingredients: 2 cup chopped cucumber, with peel. 1 banana, fresh or frozen. 2 cups baby spinach. 2 tablespoons ground flax seed. 1 scoop vanilla protein powder. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1 cup ice, optional. Instructions: combine all ingredients in your blender. If you are using frozen cucumber or banana, you may not need to add ice. Blend until smooth. Depending on your blender type, this may take 1 to 3 minutes. Pour into a glass for now, or store a spill-proof bottle to enjoy later. Number 4. Cucumber Berry Blast. Cucumbers and berries combine for a hydrating, antioxidant blast. Plus, healthy fats from hemp hearts increase nutrient absorption and keep you full. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped cucumber, with peel. 1 cup frozen mixed berries. 2 kiwis, chopped with skin on. 2 tablespoons hemp hearts. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Instructions: combine all ingredients in your blender. Blend until smooth. Depending on your blender, this may take 1 to 3 minutes. Pour into a glass for now, or store a spill-proof bottle to enjoy later. Number 5. Cucumber Fennel Digestion Booster. Cucumber, fennel and pineapple all have amazing benefits for digestion. This smoothie is the perfect snack when you are feeling gassy or bloated. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped cucumber, with peel. 1/2 cup sliced fennel bulb. 1 cup chopped pineapple, fresh or frozen. 1 handful fresh mint leaves. 1 tablespoon raw apple cider vinegar. 1 cup water. 1 cup ice, optional. Instructions: combine all ingredients in your blender. If you are using frozen cucumber or pineapple, you may not need to add ice. Blend until smooth. Depending on your blender, this may take 1 to 3 minutes. Pour into a glass for now, or store a spill-proof bottle to enjoy later. Number 6. Cucumber Fat Burner. Inspired by the Master Cleanse, this smoothie makes a great morning drink to reverend up your metabolism. Cayenne pepper kicks up fat burning and wakes up your digestion. Ingredients: 2 cup chopped cucumber, with peel. 1 lemon, peeled and seeds removed. 1 tablespoon maple syrup. 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper powder. 1 cup water. 1 cup ice, optional. Instructions: combine all ingredients in your blender. If you are using frozen cucumber, you may not need to add ice. Blend until smooth. Depending on your blender, this may take 1 to 3 minutes. Pour into a glass for now, or store a spill-proof bottle to enjoy later. Number 7. Key Lime Cucumber Smoothie. This rich smoothie is packed with healthy fats to keep you full for hours. Bonus points for tasting like a dessert. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped cucumber, with peel. 1/2 avocado. 1/2 banana, fresh or frozen. 1 lime, zest and juice only. 1 cup unsweetened coconut milk. 1 cup ice, optional. Instructions: combine all ingredients in your blender. If you are using frozen cucumber or banana, you may not need to add ice. Blend until smooth. Depending on your blender, this may take 1 to 3 minutes. Pour into a glass for now, or store a spill-proof bottle to enjoy later.